Let's look at this question. You look at this question, we are asked to find the value of s. And here is log s with base 4 plus log s with base 2 is equals to 6. You look at this question now, the numbers are the same, but they have different base on the left hand side. So we can make this base equal to this using the power to the base. And here will be log s 2 raised to the power 2, which is the base, plus log s with base 2 equals to 6. And from the power to the base, which is from our previous class, we said that the reciprocal of this power is used to multiply the logarithm, which will now be 1 all over 2 log s base 2 plus log s base 2 equals to 6. If you look at here now, we have the same log. Will now be 1 all over 2 plus log s, which will now be 1 all over 2 plus 1, since this is 1, log s base 2 equals to 6. So here will now be 2 times 1 plus 1 now be 3 over 2 log s base 2 is equals to 6. For us to remove this value, we multiply both sides by the inverse of this number. It will now be 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 log s with base 2 equals to 6 times 2 over 3. So this will now be 2 here we have 1, 2 here we have 1, 3 here 1, 3 here 1. Then 3 here we have 2, 3 here we have 1. This will now be log s with base 2 equals to 2 times 2 now be 4. So from here, we can convert this log to indices, which will now be this base now transfer to the other side to raise this 4. To remove this log will now be 2 raised to the power 4 equals to s. So s will now be 2 raised to the power 4, which is 16. That is our answer to this question.